Peace family, Queen here. Monday stock market action shows investors were underpricing Trump's promised tariffs. Huge sell-off. Everything was selling off today. Everything over the weekend from Friday, which I'll show you on the chart. We'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll also talk about gold. But you can see that with these tariffs and things, you can probably just Google this and get more in depth on the various tariffs and things like that that the U.S. administration is talking about implementing. And we can see red. I'm going to go over here. You can see it all in one screen. The Dow down 122 points, NASDAQ down 235, the S&P 500's down 45, and then the Russell 2000 down 2.65. And all your tech stocks and things like that, you got a little bit of green in there, but for the most part, when the markets are uncertain, you'll find that most folks will sell into cash. Let's take a look at, for those of you that are part of my Forex Mastermind, you know we've been crushing it with gold. Let's just take a look at the gold chart here real quick. Excuse me. Yeah, we've been crushing it with gold. Last week was pretty good. Let's see here. We'll start from here. Yeah, we wicked down from the past, I guess seven days or so, down at 27.29 for gold, and we're sitting at 28.12 right now. Wicked up to 28.30, which I think is, I think that's an all-time high. Let's do a Google search here. Doing a little recording right now. Gold's all-time high price. It's 2,800 something. Let's see. Mm-hmm. $28.17. So yeah. We created a new all-time high with gold. Cool. So yeah, we're sitting right above the all-time high with gold. So yeah, if you're in my Forex Mastermind, you know what it is. If not, you can look in the description of the video, see if that's something that you want to join. But let's get to what this video is about. And this video is primarily, which I've been preaching this stuff since Bitcoin was under $1,000. The safety net, the store of value is Bitcoin. I mean, there's just no other comparison. You know, you got a better than 50% CAGR for an asset that has a limited fixed supply and is really all signs are leading to, you know, Bitcoin becoming the world's reserve asset, or the world's treasury, if you will. You know, if you do a little searching, and you'll see that the Trump administration is talking about, now they're calling it a sovereign wealth fund or something like that, versus strategic Bitcoin reserve, whatever, you know, marketing. But you better believe it is gonna. There will be a significant amount of Bitcoin in there, and I think they're smart for, you know, not necessarily saying right out the gate that they will have Bitcoin on the federal level as a strategic reserve plan, because obviously, you know, you want to accumulate as much as you can before you go public, because what's going to happen is all the other countries are going to follow suit. There'll be a handful of them that will follow suit immediately after the news drops that a large amount of Bitcoin is in this sovereign wealth fund, or even if they, you know, do decide to do a specific strategic Bitcoin reserve, you best believe the two people that are over it, the Secretary of Treasury and the other guy, I can't remember his title, but they're both Bitcoin hodlers, have been. And you best believe that Bitcoin will be in that sovereign wealth fund for the United States. And once that news drops, it's going to be absolutely, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be really, really crazy. I for the life of me, I don't understand why people are seeing the TradFi system crumble right before our eyes, and they still sit on the sideline and they ask, "Hey, Queen, is this a good time to get into Bitcoin?" You gotta be absolutely crazy not to understand what's taking place. But as you can see from Friday, there was a huge sell-off from the rumors with the tariffs. So this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, wicked all the way down. I thought we were going to hit, I thought we were going to test around 89, and we didn't go all the way there, but we went down to like 90, what is that, 92,000. And now we're sitting back above, call it 102,000. And tomorrow there will be an announcement. See if I can find that. Let's go here. Let's see if I can find that post. Something's going on tomorrow where they're going to be talking about the wealth, the sovereign wealth fund, sovereign wealth fund USA. Let's just type that into Twitter. Twitter is the place to be if you are heavily involved in Bitcoin. This is where all the Bitcoiners, this is where we all hang out on Twitter. And so Loomis, Senator Loomis, Cynthia Loomis, she has been elected for, again, I don't know what her title is, but she's the one that's been championing for a Bitcoin reserve for years, for a couple of years anyways. And when we first started doing, laser eyes on Twitter, I remember she introduced the bill. So the thing about this is it's going to happen. It is going to happen. Now, I'm not giving you any financial advice. However, I will tell you this. If you're not involved in Bitcoin, you want to get involved in Bitcoin, look in the description of the video. There's a link for the best Bitcoin retirement plan I've ever seen. There's a link for you to grow your crypto, USDT, and then obviously you want to flip that into Bitcoin and put it in cold storage and just hold it for 4 years, 8 years, 10 years. So anyways, that is the video. Just wanted to share some of those insights with you. And again, for those of you that are in my Forex Mastermind, if you have a question on any of that stuff, make sure that you post your questions inside of our private Facebook group. And for those of you that are interested in any of these points that I'm talking about, look into the description of the video and get more information. All right, see you in the next video update. Take care. Bless up.